What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Mono from Little Nightmares. Let's begin by drawing the outside edge of the box. We're going to start at the very top on the left side. We're going to draw a straight line going across from left to right. Now we're going to come down along the side of the box with a slight angle coming in. So let's start on the left. Just going to angle this down and then into right about there. Let's go to the top right and do the same thing. Just going to bring that down towards the same height. Let's close off the bottom with a straight line. Now we're going to give our box a little bit of perspective. So from the top corners, I'm going to angle up and in with a straight line. And then we'll close off the top with a straight line. And then we'll add the fold along the top of the box. From the bottom corners, angle up and in. Connect the inside with a straight line. And then from the back corners, angle down and in. Now I'm going to move in and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start halfway down the side of the box. So right about here, come in and draw in that circle. Going down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's line this up on the right side. Bring that down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Let's fill the eyes in black. Now that we completed the head, let's move down and draw in the collar. So on the left corner of the box, we're going to step in, curve down and then in. And the same thing on the right. And then from the tip of the collar, we're going to curve this in and then up underneath the head. Now we're going to move down and draw the outside edge of the coat. From the bottom tip of the collar, we're going to step down, curve the left side, going down, and then bending that out. Now we're going to go over towards the right side, curve this out and then down towards the same height. Let's go to the inside of the left collar, curve in and then out, and bend the coat going out and then down towards the bottom on the right. And then we'll fold the left side of the coat in behind, starting from the bottom. Just going to taper this in and then up toward the center of the body. Let's add a button along the top. I'm going to start with a circle. And we'll add two more buttons on the left side. Starting up here, draw that same size circle, step down, and draw that again. Now we're going to draw the top edge of the pant in between the coat. We're going to start on the left side, curve this down, and then up on the right. Let's go back to the center, step down and add a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Now we're going to leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, curve the leg going out and then down toward the left, and then the right. And then we'll round out the bottom of the pant. Starting on the left side, curve this down and then up on both sides. Now I'm going to pull the legs going back up and in, aiming towards the hips. Let's start on the left, go up and then in underneath the coat. Let's go to the right side, go up and then bend that in. Let's fold the bottom of the pant. On the left side, we're going to step up, just follow that same curve coming in. Let's go to the top of the pant in the center, draw a small circle for a button, and then from the waistline, draw a straight line going up underneath the coat. Now let's tuck the legs in underneath the pant. On the inside corner on the left, step out, come down and then in. And the same thing on the right. Now going back to the left side, we're going to round out the heel, go across and then up. Let's add in the first big toe. On the left side, we're going to draw almost like a C shape going all the way around. And then we'll stack 2 more toes along the outside. Starting from the top left, go around and then in, step out, draw that again. Let's go in between the first 2 toes, curve the foot going up and then in. And then we'll bend the leg going back up underneath the pant. Let's wrap the coat in behind the legs. We're going to start on the left, curve this up and in. And same thing on the right. And then in between, we'll continue that curve. Let's fill the back side of the coat in black. Let's move over towards the left side and draw on the key. We start from the hip. We draw a small half circle going out and then in. Go back to the top, step up. I'm just going to trace this out, leaving a gap along the bottom. And from the bottom, draw a straight angle line coming down. Go up and out with a short line. Come down and pull that back in toward the side of the coat. Now the inside of the arm is going to start at the top of the key and then come down. So let's draw the edge of the cuff. I'm just going to curve this out and then up. Let's line this up on the right side and do the same thing. And then we'll curve the arm coming in and up underneath the head. Come in and then bend that up. Let's roll up the edge of the sleeve. From the outside, we'll step up. Curve this down and then in behind the key. Then we'll continue along the inside. Let's line this up on the right, going out and up. Let's add a fold on the top of the body. On the left side, we're going to step down, curve out, and then up. Now let's move down and tuck the hands in underneath the sleeve. Starting on the inside, draw a half circle with the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. And then we'll add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down and up around the bracket. Step down, go out and up. And then the 3rd finger will go out, up, and in behind the sleeve. Let's do the same thing on the right. And then the 3rd finger going around, in behind the sleeve. And that's pretty much it. There's Mono from Little Nightmares. I hope you enjoyed today's video. You can check out more tutorials like this in the playlist above. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.